we're taking the Spider-Man and the others. Okay? Okay? Oh, we need also socks for your school, Zaid. Oh, you want that one? Spider-Man? Spider-Man? Oh my gosh, we forgot. What are you doing? Huh? It's not ours. He found that one and he was playing. Yeah, Mama needs something for winter in Hong Kong. Okay, Mama likes this one. Do you think it's nice?
That's nice.
Not nice? Which one is nice?
That's nice.
Not nice? All for you, not nice. Huh? Oh, choose.
Nah.
No? No one, nothing for Mama? Huh? That one? Nice? Which color you want? The red or for me red? How about you? What color you want? The blue? Oh, which one? Which color?
Blue.
Ah, the blue. He likes blue.
And the red.
Are you done shopping, Zaid? Done shopping? Bye. You're going to Hong Kong now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, go. Bye, Mo. Are you done shopping, Zaid? Oh, put them all there. Inside. So, only one bag to carry. Help him, Baba. Done shopping? R&B. Going there. What are you eating, Zaid? Wait. What happened to your face? What are you eating, Zaid? Are you hungry or not? Are you hungry or not? Huh? Are you hungry or not? Yeah?
الأولى المناورة على الهامش وأن مسار التسوية إلى سقط الحوثي مشهور عندما وافق على وقف إطلاق النار وتسويات سياسية عبر الحكومة اللبنانية وبالتالي يعني
Zaid, these are the stuff you bought in Dubai and Abu Dhabi? Huh? Okay. You have Spider-Man. And you also have the luggage Spider-Man. Yes. Slippers for Mama and shoes for Zaido. Shoes for Baba and Mama. Grocery items and Mama's jacket also. And this one, the Sonic, we're going to send it to Philippines. Okay? Not for Zido.